Hello everyone and welcome to Tradeplus. Today we are going to see how to fill a DIS slip or a booklet for off-market transfer. As you can see on the screen, there is one DIS slip. So here, first you'll have to mention the client ID. This client ID will be the client ID which you have with Navia Markets.Invest. Then comes the date. And here comes the DP ID, client ID and the DP name of the firm to which you would like to make the transfer. Then you have to mention the reason of your off-market transfer. You have to mention the reason code with the reason details, and then comes the amount. After that, the ISIN. So here you have to specify the ISIN of the security to be transferred with the name of the security, the quantity which you want to transfer in numbers, and the quantity which you want to transfer in words. The instruction number will be filled by us. You will have to sign the slip. So the first blank will be the first holder or the sole holder's signature. In the second blank will be the second holder's signature if you have any. And in the third blank will be the third holder's signature if you have any. So this is how you'll be filling a DIS slip. Thank you.